Today we're going to go through the touchdown and ways to make it easier and how to progress to make it harder. Set up one plate on the floor and stand with a strong tripod foot so your big toe is jamming into the floor and you can also feel your heel and your pinky toe gripping the plate. With a tall chest, you're going to push your hips more behind you, so break with your hips instead of your knee and descend to touch your outside heel on the floor. This simulates more of an RDL position rather than just breaking at the knee in more of a squat. Ensure that your knee is traveling between your second and fourth toes and try to avoid letting that knee buckle to the inside. When performing this movement, imagine the floor is glass and you're going to descend your free foot down to the floor, tap with your heel and come back up. Avoid pushing through the toes of the outside foot. That ensures that all of your weight stays through the elevated leg. Perform 5 upwards of 15 reps. If you can do 15 reps with one plate, stack a second plate underneath your elevated leg and again repeat 5 to 15 repetitions. Repeat this process all the way up to 4 or 5 plates for that single leg touchdown squat. Repeat these steps until your elevated leg reaches 90 degrees at the knee joint. This is going to make sure that you are pretty strong from left to right in a pretty even manner. You could also progress this into a pistol squat, but we'll save that for another video. We'll see you in the next one.